I guess I'll go next. I have a couple of small demos to share. So first up, this is a huge shout out to Sarah, who did a lot of the design work on this. But we decided to add a feedback or update the UI for the AI inputs. And now you'll see it has like a rounded corner, has some nice colors on it. And if I ask questions, it's going to prompt the user for feedback on the results before they're allowed to ask another question. So you get to see, uh, yeah, you can say pretty decent, not what I asked for, or I don't know. So we'll just say that was a good answer, and then that gets tracked, and we have a topic, so we can go and explore that data as well over time. So yeah, huge shout out to Sarah, who did a lot of fantastic work on this component to make it nice and pretty and fun to use. Then the second thing to show off is, I guess, more engineering oriented. I added a new command called yarn Prisma Studio, and that opens up a view into your database. So if you are using like PG admin to poke your local database, or maybe you were actually just going to PSQL, you can use this command and it'll show you all the records. And if you want to, you can then click into relationships and it'll actually show you the related records, and you can go and view them, and makes it really easy to change any of the values in here, change any enums or any types. So another way to interact with your database that's pretty safe, has a nice user experience, and is pretty fast as well. So if you're an engineer and you want help or you want to try this out, it's Yarn Prisma Studio, and I find it to be a really nice tool. And then the last demo is
Nice.
embedding.
Does that access both of? Oh,
What were you saying?
I was going to ask if that also gives access to both of the databases, the front end and back end database.
This is just the front end database right now, but it
That
might
makes
be
sense.
easy to set up for the back end as well. Yeah, I can take a look at that. But this is already already live, so yeah, feel free to poke around. And then